Welcome back, friends. I have another seasonal DIY. This one is for spring/Easter, and let me not waste any more time and let's jump into this DIY. Alright, so first starting off, I picked up this wrapping paper from Dollar Tree, this floral, and for the frame I did paint it ahead of time. I did paint it off camera, and I went in with the Opal Fire color and diluted that with a little bit of white. And so I'm just simply gonna go ahead and get my wrapping paper and trace the cardboard that came inside the frame. The frame is from Dollar Tree, by the way. I just had it from a while back as well, and I decided to put it to use finally. So once I finished cutting out the wrapping paper, I did go ahead and set that aside, and I did cut some vinyl decals ahead of time as well with my Cricut in the phrase bunny kisses. Guys, I'm sorry I don't have footage. That was just a little bit time consuming. Since I did have those already prepped and ready to go, I went ahead with my frame and went in with some masking tape to help me with the placement of the phrase. And if you do have a Cricut, guys, at home and are interested or curious of what font I did use for the phrase, I will link it in the description box below. But I'm just simply putting that vinyl onto the frame, and I did wipe it with some alcohol before I place these onto the frame. And now I am going to be assembling this, and I did just end up putting the wrapping paper over the board. I didn't stick it or glue it to anything, adhere it. I just placed it over and assembled it, and literally this was the easiest DIY I think I've done. And that was all for this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a short one, but an easy one. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, where I do post a lot of pictures of my projects. And with that being said, guys, until next time.